What do you do when the experts disagree on the best workflow? And I'm talking about, let me give you an example. Julie Koss works for Adobe and has been a Photoshop expert for a couple decades. Deke McCullen has written more books on Photoshop than anybody in the world, and his knowledge is vast. Well, they don't agree on some of the things I'm going to be showing you. So, which direction do you go in that case when you turn to the experts? Well, you do the best you can. But one thing's for certain, with Photoshop 2018 and our workflow right now, we have to make some adjustments. And I know this may be painful for some of you, but think about it from my point of view. I've been using Photoshop since last century, and I work in a certain manner, and I've got to deviate from my norms. So let's come back and let's get right to it and start making the changes that we need to make in order to work proactively and work smart.